Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Jen Hilman, and in our practice today, we are going to move into a gentle morning flow. This is going to be a great routine for you to practice to get your day started, get your body moving and feeling right for a great day. So go ahead and like this video, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And when you are all set, go ahead and roll out your mat and let's get ready to wake up your body. Let's begin our practice in a nice, easy seat. You can go ahead and sit on a cushion or a blanket, anything that makes you feel comfortable as we ease into our practice this morning. Once you get settled into your seat, you can go ahead and close your eyes and start to tune in with your breathing. Just begin to observe that rhythmic flow of your breath. Watching the breath as it moves in and out. Just take a little moment to notice how you're feeling today. What's going on in your physical body? What sensations do you notice? What thoughts and feelings are present for you this morning? If you're noticing uncomfortable thoughts or uncomfortable feelings, thank yourself for becoming aware of those. And let's set an intention that for the duration of our practice, we are going to move stagnant energy and wake up positive chi. And by the time you come to the end of this practice, you're going to be feeling good feelings, good thoughts. Bring your hands together at your heart. Joining right and left, feeling the warmth of your palms, feeling the unity of your whole being. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, just roll your head around a little bit, kind of rocking the head right to left, some nice easy movement. And inhale your head back to center. We're going to circle your arms up this time. Taking that nice big full breath as you stretch your fingertips up, lifting out of your waist. Then we'll exhale and gently circle your hands down towards the floor. Just gently touch your fingertips down and again, roll your head side to side a little bit. Some nice easy half circles. Reaching your fingertips down towards the floor so we increase the stretch. And again, on your next inhale, we're going to come back to center. Stretch your fingertips up towards the sky, lifting up out of your waist. Interlace your fingers at the top this time and flip your palms to the sky. So we open up through the hands as you stretch and extend through your arms, feeling your palms open wide. Then exhale and gently circle those arms down and around. And then we're going to interlace your hands behind your back. Squeeze the palms together behind you as you roll your shoulder blades back. Curl your chest towards the sky, lifting your gaze and stretching your heart open. Just let it be easy, nice, gentle heart opener. Then slowly release, coming back to center. You can relax your hands on your lap. Maybe roll the shoulders around a couple of times. Again, we're just taking it nice and slow as we work into the body. Now let's move into a little side stretch, reaching your left fingertips up and over. Now this doesn't need to be your maximum side bend. First thing in the morning, your body is tight. So take it slow. Let this be a very gentle practice as you reach up and over, just awakening through the left side body. Tuning into your breath here, let it flow in and out. Should feel pretty good. Then we'll inhale and rise back to center, sweeping your left hand over to your right knee. Let's take it into a nice gentle twist, rotating your heart around. Allow yourself to have some little micro movement inside the twist as you work into your body and just become aware of what you feel and what you need. Then we'll inhale, coming back to center. Circle your arms up towards the sky, nice big stretch. Then as you exhale, open your arms out towards the sides and stretch your hands back. Reach your chest forward like you were going to give someone a big hug. We stretch through the front body. Then close your palms together in front of you. Reach your fingertips forward as you round through your spine. Tucking your chin down to your chest, gently rock back, stretching through your back body as you reach your fingertips forward. Then let's take a nice big breath in, circling your arms up towards the sky. And as you exhale, gently circle your arms down by your side like a big rainbow egg of energy circling around you. And let's reach the right arm up and over, moving into that second side. And just remember that you can go slow. This is all about greeting your body. It's like opening up the windows, letting in the morning light, working into those deeper breaths, just slowly letting your body awaken. Enjoy the presence, just being with your body in the moment. And we'll slowly rise, pulling yourself back up to center, then sweep your right hand across. Moving right into the twist, getting into that rotation in the spine, breathing into it one breath at a time. Feel free to make little adjustments inside the pose, exploring different areas of your spine, noticing where you need the stretch, and just let yourself feel it. It feels so good. Slowly release and come back to center. Circle your arms up towards the sky. Nice big breath in, and exhale, open your arms wide, reaching your heart and chest forward, giving the whole world a hug. So much love. Then close your palms together in front of you. Scoop your belly in as you tuck your chin to your chest, gently rocking back, you stretch your spine. Keep reaching the fingertips forward, stretching your back body. Then we'll inhale, circling the arms up. As you exhale, just gently float your arms down, nice and easy, like a beautiful rainbow of light surrounding you. And hug your knees into your chest, wrap your arms around your shins, give yourself a little loving squeeze. Then we're going to transition to a standing forward fold. So you can begin to make your way up onto your feet, bringing those feet side by side. Give yourself a little space, maybe about 2 fists distance between your feet. You can bend your knees as much as you need here, okay? Letting yourself, again, just ease into the stretch. Let's begin to rock your weight side to side, shifting from right to left, rocking your weight side to side and exploring that inner landscape. So let's take it easy. Go slow and gentle. There's no need to rush this experience. We're just opening up any tight areas and inviting more breath into the body as you gently rock your weight side to side. And, just let yourself explore, feeling your way through the experience. One deep, slow breath at a time. Feeling so good. Now, when you're ready, we're going to resolve the movement and slowly start to bring yourself back to center. Folding over your legs here, just take a nice easy bend into your legs. So you don't have to take a deep seat necessarily. We just want to relax the knees, taking a gentle bend. Then bring your hands to your knees and press yourself up. Again, this is not like your maximum chair pose. This is definitely like the slow, easy version. So we have a gentle bend into the knees. You're supporting your weight with your hands. Now, from this position, we're going to do some cat and cow. So stabilize in your legs, and as you inhale, lift your heart and tail. Try to roll your shoulders down and back so you're not just sinking into the shoulders, but we're going to lift the chest as you stretch your front body. Then as you exhale, your breath will curl your belly in. Go ahead and scoop your tailbone under as you curl your chin to your chest and round your back. So we'll flow like this. Inhale to open, tuning into your breath. Roll the shoulders down as you reach your tailbone back. Then exhale and curl it in, rounding through your spine. And sometimes I like to scoop my fingertips to the back of my knees so I can just kind of give myself a little extra stretch in the back. So feel free to play with that and see if that helps you get a more juicy sensation as you begin to stretch and mobilize the spine. Now at the end of your exhale, we're going to slowly begin to rise, standing through your legs. Circle your arms all the way up, reaching your body long, finding length through the legs, through the torso, the arms, and the fingertips. Then exhale and slowly circle your arms down by your side. Now, bring your right hand onto your right hip. I'm going to circle your left arm up and over as you glide your hips to that left side. So again, we're coming back into the side body stretch, but now leaning your hips over to that left side. So we deepen the stretch. Now see if you can roll your gaze up towards the sky, engaging a little strength and activity through the core. Then slowly rise back to center. We're going to open your arms out towards your side and twist to the right side. Now as you twist, try not to let the hips go with you. We want to keep the pelvis stable, both hip bones pointing toward the front. As you rotate the rib cage around, so again, we're working a twist, but activating a little strength through the core. Nice rotation, good work. Let's inhale, rise back to center, stretch your fingertips high. Then as you exhale, you can circle the left hand to your left hip and begin to reach the right fingertips up and over, leaning your hips towards that right side. So we still have stability in the legs, but that's giving you the freedom to arc up and over to that side, stretching through the right side body. Maybe you can even roll your gaze up to the sky. You can just try it and see what happens. Good, then we'll slowly rise back to center. Opening your arms wide, keep the pelvis stable as we twist to the left, engaging some strength through the core. This isn't just in the arms, this is really rotating the rib cage. Nice squeeze. Inhale back to center, reach your fingertips high. And exhale and gently fold your body down. We're coming back into that nice deep forward fold, relaxing through the weight of your head. You can shift your weight side to side if that feels good, or just practice a deeper forward fold. Now let's open up those hips a little bit, my friends. Let's go ahead and rotate your toes. 45 degrees, open to the side. Then we're slowly sinking the hips down, coming into Malasana, the garland pose. Now this is a big stretch for opening the hips, and you might find that your feet want to collapse inward. See if you can really ground and stabilize through your feet, keeping the knees open to the sides as we slowly lower down to the floor, right? So coming into that nice deep squat, breathing into your hips as you go. If you can't quite come all the way down, it's okay. Just lift your hips up a little bit. Keep working the knees to the side, working out those hips. Yes, let the light in. On your next inhale, friends, we're going to press all the way up to standing. Reach your arms up and rise. And you can go ahead and exhale and turn your toes back to parallel. Bringing the feet back to neutral. Bring your hands together at your heart and just start to take some deep breaths down into your belly. Yeah, really working those deep, full breaths. Working a full exhale too. So we inhale fully, breathing all the way down into your belly. Breathe all the way down into your pelvis if you can. And as you exhale, feel that full sense of release. Breathing the breath all the way out, releasing all those toxins. Full exhale. Let's go one more time like this. Nice, big, full, satisfying breath. And exhale all the way out, all the way out, all the way out. Now, as you stand, just let yourself feel the vibrations that are coursing through your body. Savor this moment, enjoy the feeling. Thank yourself for making a little time to get into your breath and your body this morning. And just notice what thoughts and emotions are present for you now. Thank you so much for allowing me to join you and guide you through this morning. I hope that you are feeling invigorated and ready to take on an awesome day. You can find me on all my social media at Jen Hilman. You can visit my website, jenhilman.com, to keep in touch. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.